August 22nd, 1849. The first recorded use of UAVs, or unmanned area vehicles, for warfare. This invention was simply a balloon with a bunch of explosives on it destined to destroy the targeted enemy. While this may seem like something out of Fortnite, this provided the base for future warfare devices. Fast forward to 1939. The radioplane OQ-2, designed by Walter Reiter, was the next large step in UAV technology. This device was designed to be reusable as compared to the Austrian balloon, which was a once-and-done type of item. Nearly 15,000 of these were made during the war and sold as practical military weapons. Currently, military drones are in use and have been in use for some time. Since this field is growing exponentially, the advances are happening so quickly that the drones shown here may be slightly outdated. While the basic concept remains the same, new drones from other companies are starting to emerge. Future military uses plan to scale these drones down. More and more drones will become fully automated, which will operate in swarms. By operating this way, drones will become more versatile and adaptable. By now, most of you have most likely heard of Amazon Prime Air. Like many other companies, the investment in drone shipping is increasing. By shipping via drones, the ability to expedite shipment will be increased.
Amazon is developing a service to use drones to safely deliver packages to customers in 30 minutes or less. It's called Prime Air. We've started a new private trial for customers in the Cambridge area of England, and on December 7th, we completed our first delivery. Customers will choose from a selection of thousands of items tucked away in a Prime Air fulfillment center located just over the horizon from their homes. We have been operating fulfillment centers for quite a while now, but this one is unlike all the rest. These modest-looking buildings contain innovative Prime Air technology. Here's how it works. Moments after receiving the order, an electrically powered Amazon drone makes its way down an automated track and then rises into the sky with the customer's package on board. These drones are autonomous. From takeoff to landing and return, they operate completely on their own. Cruising quietly below 400 feet, carrying packages up to 5 pounds, and guided by GPS, our systems are designed to find their destinations safely.
One of the last but most important advances in drone technology is public access. Companies such as DJI are continuously pioneering the path of consumer drones. By bringing technology such as GPS, 3-axis image stabilization, and long-lasting flight times, consumers are able to access the latest technology for astoundingly low costs.
Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots.